What's going on, you guys? I know it's been hard since I left Team Throttle Monster to get some good content on here. Obviously there's nothing I'm doing Monstric related. There's not really much I can share with you guys, but fortunately, by the way, hopefully you guys can hear me because I'm inside the rig right now. It's a little noisy, but anyways, Jacob Ladwig gave me a call about 2 weeks ago saying that there's some help needed, and he wanted me to join him. And obviously I needed the work at this time of year and just to keep myself busy. So the last 7 days, Jacob Ladwig and I came here to Watsonville, California to help out Kelvin and Rosie Raymer with their trucks. Now 7 days ago, Rosalie's truck was a bare chassis practically, and the only thing that was in it was pretty much the T-case. So in the past 7 days, everything is pretty much fully installed, and all we need now is the motor, and all we gotta do is finish electrical work. And once that's good, we're going to move on to Kelvin's truck. And Kelvin has a brand new chassis that he's going to debut really soon. And it's one of the most stoutest truck, if that's a word. It's one of the most stoutest truck that I think I've ever seen. And basically he's designed a truck where he can roll it over and do whatever he wants and not worry about any damage to the chassis. So that's going to be something unique to see. But as of right now, I don't think I will be able to show you guys pictures or videos of what we're doing, at least not until Kelvin and Rosalie post it, unless they post it on social media and I know I got the thumbs up to start sharing it on my social media. But there's some new colors going on for Rosalie's truck, and Kelvin's truck, I'm not sure what it's going to be as far as what colors it's going to have. I'm not saying it's going to be anything different, but you know, if there is anything different color wise that we're going to do as far as new colors on the body or the chassis, shocks, then that's something to keep secret until it's more closer to complete. But other than that, another cool thing is we got Sam Sturgis coming after Christmas. Jacob Ladwig left earlier this morning back home to spend a week home for Christmas. I'm leaving tomorrow morning. Sam Sturgis coming in, who's going to be really helping out a lot more on the electrical work, because personally I'm not the best at it yet, and we're gonna have Sam come over and really wire this thing from start to finish, and I'm going to learn a lot from him on how it is to wire up these trucks from start to finish, because I've never actually done that on my own. And Sam Sturgis actually builds the motors for Kelvin and Rosie Raymer. So he's gonna be a guy to really learn a lot from, and hopefully get to know more, because I actually haven't worked with Sam a lot, mainly Jacob. So I look forward to working with him over the next couple weeks, and this is something that's keeping the three of us busy while there's no shows going on. And we're just going to be here putting their trucks together, and be there whenever they need us, and look forward to running with them in the future. So as of right now, the job is put their trucks together, and we'll go from there. But this is just something that's going to keep us busy for the winter. And the next time a video will probably be posted will probably be when the trucks are done, or maybe when Rosalie's truck is done. Then maybe we'll do another video for Kelvin's.